2009 Z51 Corvette, bright yellow. Can you guys tell me what you think of a yellow Corvette? Would you buy one? Would you not? I would like to know in the comments. Because I was looking actually at a dealership yesterday and they had a yellow TRX. It was the Havoc edition. And I'm like, the salesman was really trying to sell me that truck yesterday. And I was like, yeah, I can't do yellow. He's like, you can wrap it. I said, yeah, but you still see all the door jambs, everything's yellow. So I'm like, yeah, I couldn't do it. Anyways, back to, that was my story of the day from Monday. Back to the Corvette. Cat here, H-pipe on this one, all factory. Then goes over the rear end. And as you guys can see, my boys know what they're doing. They did custom Valvetronic mufflers. There is barely any space for anything in there. We got it done. Valvetronic designs, mufflers, on a Chevy Corvette. That's the second set in a week that we did on these. There's the tips. Austin, if you're watching, that's for you, buddy. We got them to fit. So Valvetronic mufflers, right now the valves are closed. We'll start it up once we bring it down and let you guys hear it. And if you guys don't know, there's the stock mufflers that were on it that we cut off right there. And the part number, it's a dual set. Right here, universal valve mufflers by Valvetronics. Stay tuned. Valves closed. Chevy Corvette Z51 with Valvetronic Designs mufflers. Go ahead. See how it's quiet? And it's been sitting for like 3 hours. We just didn't finish it. So that's a cold start, kind of. See that, how quiet it is? Here's sound decibels. Right at 67. Right at 67.
Right at 67.
67.
Give a guess? Wow, it's quiet. You can barely hear it. I love it. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 89. Right at 89. That is quiet. All right. So that was valves closed. All right. So this is round 2, guys. Valvetronic Designs. Valves open. See the difference? Idle. So right at 73, 74, compared to 67 before. Compared to 67 before. Give a guess? Much better. One more? Again? So right at 102. It's a nice idle too. Give a guess? I like it. Best of both worlds. Go ahead and bring it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West Avenue on Dickerson Pike. Our address is 3560. There's our phone number. Back to the action. And we got a website at exhaustaddicts.com too. You guys want to check it out, get some merch. That's valves open, Valvetronic Designs outside. Again. Good looking vet. All right. Now valves closed. Very nice. Very clean Chevy Corvette with valves closed. Let you guys hear on the inside. got Chevy Corvette Z51. Valves closed. Valvetronic designs. There we go. That's valves closed, guys. Clean. Shows that it has some sort of muffler on it, but not crazy loud, just a clean, deep tone. That was valves closed, Valvetronic Designs muffler. I got Chevy Corvette, round 2, valves open. Valvetronic Designs mufflers. That sounds so clean. Enjoy, guys. Hope you guys like it. Corvette, Valvetronic Designs, valves open. Beautiful yellow Corvette. Oh, that's so clean, dude. Rev it! Are you happy? All right. Rev it a little bit harder for me. Go ahead. We just fully straight piped it for her. Scat Pack 392. Not bad, not bad. Enjoy, guys. Fully straight pipe Challenger.